Hey guys, this is Ryan at Upscale Detail Co. We've got someone very, very special showing up outside. This gentleman's name is Melendez. He's got a 2019 Ford F-150 that we did last July. We'd installed a 1-year ceramic coating after providing a single stage of paint correction. Come take a look at it and we'll get into everything that we're gonna be going over today.
Hey, what's up, man?
Long time no see.
Yeah,
Good
I know.
to see
How you been?
Good, how are you?
How's business going?
So we coated your truck roughly a year ago. You got a 1-year ceramic coating. We put a Geon Can Coat Pro Evo on, and at the time that's and it still is our 1-year coating that we use through Geon. It's our certified coating. So tell me a little bit about your experience with the coating, likes, possible dislikes, something like that.
I used your products. I like the way you explained everything. You taught me something with the maintenance. I like that the coating keeps me from a 4-hour car wash to a 1-hour car wash.
Right.
The towel, fastest drying towel I've ever seen. I still like the fact that the water beads off. After rain, I come right outside, dry it right off, and it protects, especially when you get bugs. I drive to Florida all the time.
Right.
As soon as I go to wash, they just come right off. So I love the product. You know, I'll be back to get the full detail. Windows coated, you know, tires and rims. The product that you sold, it lasts.
What's your favorite part so far about the coating?
That I can demonstrate to everybody who don't have a ceramic coating how
Yeah.
the water just beads right off.
Awesome.
You know, like seriously, I'll carry a bottle of water and they'll come up and like, oh, yo, your truck looks nice. How is it? I'll be like, look. And I'll pour the bottle of water.
Yeah.
The bead comes in like, and that's like the best part. It's just seeing how I try to maintain my vehicles all the time. And now it's just a simple process of, and plus look at the shine.
Right.
The sun glares off, you see your reflection.
You can see your reflection really clearly. I will say once you see a finished product, it almost sells itself, but a lot of people, like you said, are skeptical. Whether it's the products, whether it's the work that's going into it. That's why we work to keep you updated throughout the process. We had you come back in when you wanted your reset done, and at that point in time we took care of the plastics because then you wanted to get those coated. It's an in-depth process that requires a lot of attention and detail and kind of thoroughly explaining things because it's something that's new to the market. I remember we had a deep scratch on the back.
Yes.
Around that STX.
And I actually thought, I said, make sure it comes out. That's like the most, I don't like, you know the problem was this. I know how to wash a car.
Right.
No, I thought I knew how to wash a car. Okay, leaving the swirl marks, leaving this. I was like, oh my God, what is going on? And I'm constantly washing.
Right.
Drying, get the little towels, do everything. It have to, and it can rain out. Or I used to buy the big bags of all the towels.
Microfibers.
And then this microfiber yellow, you gotta use this for this, you gotta use this. Now, soon as you took out that scratch, I was like, and then not seeing the swirl marks from the car washes.
Yeah.
And I used to take her all the time. Ooh, quicker, I don't have time. Take her to the car wash. There are no swirl marks anymore. And that's what the most important part that I like, because I get to look at it and be like, I think I'm doing a professional job, which I don't own a professional company, but when I drive the truck around, they feel it's me.
Absolutely.
It's the product. Look how it glows in the sun.
It looks awesome, and I'm glad you remember those key points because when we're trying to educate, that's our biggest point. Sometimes we're afraid because it's so much to kind of wrap your head around that we fall a little short. And granted, here there sometimes we're not going to be able to get it all across, but that's why we're trying to make educational videos like this with a testimonial, with honest opinion on everything and how it works. That way someone can get an idea of, okay, it is a lot to understand and grasp, but if I dedicate a little bit of time towards understanding the investment that I would be putting into my vehicle, I want to make sure that that it is at the end of the day worth it. It's something that's feasible for me. It fits within my lifestyle, and I'm going to see some benefits from it. So I'm glad to hear that you have.